Module 6, How to Motivate and Effective Leadership. This module is going to focus on motivation and leadership, which in one way or another this whole class pretty much focuses on leadership. We're going to continue to build upon topics and skills that you've learned in previous modules. In order to be successful in sports or business, you need to motivate your team and its members. Every person is motivated in a different way. Chapter 11 will go into detail on how many different theories there are of motivation. Additionally, to be successful, a leader needs to be skilled in leading them to, victory, wins, not losses. Chapter 12 will explain the different types of leadership styles and how managers and leaders are different. So what to expect this week? After continuing to learn about leadership and motivation, you'll discuss which theories you plan to utilize in your ideal job. You'll also discuss the leadership style used by a former coach or boss. There will also be a quiz on Chapter 9 through 12. The course objectives are the same as the last module, but with added demonstrated knowledge of various leadership stories and their effective application in sports history. After reading Chapters 11 and 12, you'll be able to explain how motivation works, use a performance equation, discuss 4 content-based motivational theories, discuss 3 process-based motivational theories, reinforcement theory, compare content, process, and reinforcement theories, explain why managers are not always leaders, compare trait, behavioral, and contingency theories of leadership, explain leadership trait theory, contrast 2-dimensional leaders and grid leaders, identify different levels of management, whether they be charismatic, transformational, transactional, or symbolic leaders, and which work best. Contrast various contingency models of leadership, critique the continuum and path goal models, and describe normative leaders. Your to-do list includes, as always, your discussions and a quiz on Chapters 9 through 12 due Sunday. One more module to go in the home stretch.